How to install Jungle Scouts on your PC. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have assistance in your e-commerce business by installing Jungle Scouts on your PC. First of all, open Google Chrome. Now search for Jungle Scout download in the search bar. Now click on the first website that shows up. After that, click on Add to Chrome. After some time, it will open a new website. As you can see, the extension has been installed on your PC now. Click on Sign up for Jungle Scout. Choose your country. You can see many plans with different prices here. Scroll down and click on the Request Demo option. Enter your information and you will be granted a free demo. That's how you can install Jungle Scout on your PC.